Put the green on top. Very good. Right here. Good job. Good job. Green. Where does the blue go? Where does the blue go?
This way.
See, the blue is right here. So the blue goes on this side. Good girl. The red. The red is on the bottom. Where does the red go? Turn it like that. Very good. The orange. Where does the orange go?
This.
Very good. That's the orange. Point to the orange again. See, it goes on the side. So you have to turn it this way. Good girl.
Can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead. Where does the yellow go? Very good. So let's put the yellow like that. Very good. Ooh, is it like that?
No.
No. It's like that. So take it. Good job. How about the purple? Where's the purple go? Good girl. Purple. How can you put the purple on here? It goes like that. Yeah, like an X. Good job.
Wait, can I do it?
Yes, you could do it. Good job. High five. Can you give me a red marker and a red popsicle stick? Red.
Oh, that's red.
Red. Good girl. Can I have the red stick? How about one? No, right here. The red stick. Very good. Can you point to the red line? Good job. Can I have a purple marker? Very good. Can I have the purple sticks? Very good. Can you point to the purple line? Very good. Can you take your finger and draw the line with your finger? Good job. Can I have the orange marker? Orange stick?
Can I have a green marker?
Yes, you can have a green marker.
Oh, no. Right here.
You have two green markers. But let's start with the orange one. Can I have an orange stick? Where's the orange stick? Orange stick. Where's the orange line? Where's the orange line on this right here? Where's the orange line? Can you take your finger and go down the orange line? Very good. Can I have a green marker?
No, you have one.
Oh, let me have it in my hand. Put it in my hand. Where's your green marker? Can I see yours? I don't want it. I just want to see it.
That's mine.
Oh, this one is yours?
Yeah.
Oh, how about the green stick? Oh, okay. How many green sticks do you see?
One.
One. How about this one?
Two.
Two green sticks. Can you show me the green line? Where's the green line here? Can you put the green stick on the green line? Can you pick up the green stick? Can you take your finger and go across the green stick? Excellent. How about yellow? Yellow. Where's the yellow stick? Where's the yellow line? Take your finger and go across the yellow line. Can you put the yellow stick on the yellow line? Here you go. Put the stick on the yellow. Nope. Where's the yellow line? Fix it on the yellow line. Excellent. How about the blue? Ooh. Is there another blue marker in there? That's the blue stick. Thank you. Is there another blue marker in here?
No.
This is not blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's two blues. Where's the blue line? Excellent. Can you put the blue marker on the blue line for me?
Okay.
Good job. Okay, put it on the green line. Excellent. How about the purple sticks? Can you put the purple sticks on the purple
Get out of
line?
my room.
Don't tell him to get out your room. It's not your room anyway.
Get out of my room.
Put the purple stick on the purple line. Excellent. How about the other one? Good job! You did it! What shape is that?
A square.
Oh, square. It can also look like a rectangle too.